How to change your username on Airbnb account. Are you guys facing issues to change your username? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To change your username on Airbnb, first of all, open Airbnb app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, just simply log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in now, just simply look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see this option for profile info. Just simply tap on profile. After click on profile, you can see this option for account settings. Tap on account settings and click on personal information. After click on personal information, you can see this option for legal name. Just simply tap on edit and change your first name and last name according to preference. After you change it, click on save button. As soon as you click on save button, your profile username will instantly change. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to change your profile name on Airbnb. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.